Hey guys, as y'all might be able to see, I'm at AutoZone, and the reason I'm here is because it rained for the first time in a month, and this windshield wiper just smeared water on my windshield, so I'm going to replace these, and then we got to go do a PM, so stay tuned. Okay, on these, let's see if y'all can see this. There's a little clip right here. And then it comes out, and this is a really long one. That's 28 inches. Uh-oh, that might have been the clip that I need. I don't think so. So that one was pretty simple. Let's go over here to this one. I like these Rain-X windshield wipers. They actually do a really good job. And for a long time, they will coat your windshield. Yeah, that first one I put on was 28 inches. This one is 20. Now that I can see when it rains, let's go catch a call. Well guys, we have finally arrived for our preventive maintenance, so let's dig into it. Here we go. Drain is right in the way. That's a quarter. Right now, just the fan is on. Oh, forgive me, I don't have a ton of room here. All right. All I'm doing there is just resetting the connections. We have us a X13 motor. Amp draw right now is 0.7, 0.8. And I want to we got 2 float switches. I was looking at the wiring here. Let's jump from red to white. Let me get my jumper here. And we should have 10 kW come on. There we go. Almost 10 kW. See a lifting that says anything different. Let's measure our voltage real quick. $247. Alright, that's really all we can do up here. Other than possibly look at this coil, and I think we'll try to look in the back of it. See if I can squeeze you on that. I think it looks pretty good. Did not come on. Let's go ahead and check in here, and then we'll go check the thermostat. I just turned it up to 78. It was on 76, but it may have been in cool. The way these temperatures have been lately, you might run your heater in the morning and then air conditioner for the rest of the day. Dead frogs. There's another one up here. Two of them. All right. Get my meter. Make sure we don't have power. Nothing. Those are tight. Where's my trusty screwdriver? I'm trying to make sure y'all can see everything. All right, that's supposed to be a 70 and 10. Let's sincerely hope that it is. Because I'm pretty sure I don't have one. Switch out the microfarads. Test the 70, 68.8, and the 10. Come on. 10.04. So it's still within range. All right, that's about all the checking I can do until I can get it running. We can check some amps, then we might put it through defrost. Oil is clean. We got a little bit of leaves down in there. Let's get those out. Whew. Kind of hard to be upside down like that. All right, let's go in and turn her on. Let's get some probes on it. Swap this over to heat. I went ahead and turned it on cool because it's 76 degrees in there. That way I can jump it to heat out here. Alright, what y'all are about to see me do is jump from, we know yellow has a call because it's on contactors pulled in. So I'm going to jump from yellow to blue on this board, and that's going to energize my reversing valve. And now it's running in heat. Thermostat thinks it's running in cool, but it's running in heat. Let's see here. Come on. These are my numbers in heat right now. Air blowing out the top is nice and cold. Let's give it just a second. That's amp draw on my compressor, 10.8. Amp draw on my condenser fan motor, 1.15. Alright, outdoor fan is rated at 1.2. Compressor's rated at 21.8. So they're both within range. Alright, these are my pressures. I've got 318 over 156. And that's continuing to rise. It's kind of warm in there. So I wouldn't be surprised to see something close to 350. Right now outside it is 80 degrees. Because it's still kind of warm and we're doing a heat, I am not going to check defrost because I have to let it run too long. And I check it the last fall maintenance I was out here. This is one I do twice a year. But because of the temperatures, we are not going to do defrost right now. Now we're checking pressures in cool, and now we can do superheat and subcooling. System. And as y'all see, I've got right now 6 degrees, 5.5 degrees subcooling. Superheat is high because we were just running in heat. Let's let that settle down for a little bit and see where it goes. Alright, this is where I settled out. 270 over 135. 76 degrees inside and 80 outside. I got about 2 degrees superheat and 9 degrees self-cooling. Power once again. That ain't working. Guess I should tell them about that. Alright, all that's left for me to do now is fill out the invoice on House Call Pro. There are some things about it that are real convenient. If I schedule a job and I have the customer cell number in House Call Pro, it lets them know when the job is scheduled, and when I hit I'm on my way, it lets them know I'm on my way. When I complete the job, I hit finish, and it sends them a text asking to leave a review of how good of a job I did. And this is a customer that very likely will leave a review. So little things like that, if you're wanting to build your reviews naturally, doing it through House Call Pro is a real good way to do it. There are lots of real good things about House Call Pro that I like. It's hard to go into them all, but if you're interested, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, how about like and subscribe? And I'll catch you on the next one.